Hi guys, as you know, I had a close encounter in 1986, and that's what this painting is based on, close encounters. And today I'm going to use the same technique, painting with a rag, spray paints, of course my solid markers for graffiti. These are great they're solidified paint, by the way, they're waterproof and heat proof. And here we go, guys. I'm going to start it off with Satin Eden. Putting halos in the piece, representing UFOs. Use your imagination. I'm liking that. I'm going to use a little bit of darker green now. This one here is more like an ivy leaf. Just going to wipe away some of the color there. Okay, now I'm going to get my steel wool. I like the steel wool because it really pulls away some of the tone. Liking that green a lot. Here we go. That's all I like. That's all I want to do with that. Now, our black. See, I've incorporated like discs, like UFO disc flying in the air. Kind of an alien feel. And put some anger in it. Get angry. It shows a kind of an anger kind of feel, but also fear. You gotta put that emotion in there. Look at that, guys. There we go. I'm liking that a lot. Now, the green, that bright alien green. Shows the two struggling colors together. But this is my technique, and I love doing this. It just has a beautiful mid-century feel as well, but yet modern, contemporary, and emotional. Everything I do, I put my emotions into it, and I put my feeling of my anger and myself into my works. And I'm hoping people feel that when I'm showing this. I think it's a great way to let go, guys. Every mark I make is thought out in my mind. I don't random stroke. I put things where they need to go, and where I feel they need to go to meet my feeling and my emotions. And then I'm going to overlap with black again. There we go, guys. Isn't that a beautiful piece? Close Encounters. It's what I paint with a rag, and I use waterproof graffiti markers. It's my new style technique. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Peace out. Foltz Art.